to the southeast, and even when the trough is not ever present, it leaves its ingredients behind, i.e. front, old thunderstorm boundaries, low heights in the atmosphere, all things that Nashville, Birmingham, Atlanta, Asheville, all this in pink here, 16 to 20 inches above average. Tallahassee, Savannah, Charleston, pretty much all in that same group. So again, guys, a tropical system coming up the pike here would be just devastating for the southeast. So that's something we are keeping our eyes on. All right, so the water vapor showing the current setup, deep moisture, front, upper disturbance.